phenotypic character and genotypic character in F2 generation. Remember, we have to write the F2 generation, okay? Now, what is the phenotypic character? Phenotypic character is a character which is seen by the individual from the morphological structure. It means basically the phenotypic character which is externally is seen. And in the genotypic character, we are knowing about the gene. What is the gene makeup? In the last, we have seen also what we have formed here in the our previous page, that capital T, then capital T, small t, capital T, small t, and small t. Okay, we have formed the four offspring in which there is the capital T, capital T, small t, capital T, small t, and small t. This one is the pure homozygous tall. This one is a tall, but this one is a heterozygous. This one is also tall but heterozygous, and this one is a dwarf and homozygous. Now, phenotypic ratio, what we have to do? Now, what is the external appearance of this plant? This offspring is also tall. It is also tall. It is also tall, and this one is dwarf. Now, when we see externally, these all the three offspring is tall. Now, this one is externally what we see, that three plants are tall and one is the dwarf. So, what is the phenotypic ratio? Phenotypic ratio is 3:1. Now, genotypic ratio. What are the gene makeup for this offspring found in the F2 generation? The gene makeup for the F2 generation is what we have found the 1:2:1. It means one is capital T, this one is a pure homozygous tall, this one is 2 is heterozygous tall. We have found that 2 tall offspring, so this is the heterozygous tall, and this one is the homozygous dwarf. Okay, homozygous dwarf we have to know. So the off or the spring we have to find. Now, genotypic ratio and the phenotypic ratio is the difference is that the phenotypic, in the phenotypic ratio, what we know, we see the external character of the organism. But in the genotypic ratio, what we see the what is the basic or what is the gene ratio in this. Okay, we are talking about the gene. So remember that in the F2 generation of the monohybrid cross, monohybrid cross, phenotypic ratio is 3:1, in which 3 is tall and 1 is dwarf. Okay. Now, when we know about the genotypic character, then there is a 1:2:1. One is the pure tall, 2 offspring is heterozygous tall, and the 1 offspring is homozygous dwarf. Understand? So we have now today we have discussed about the monohybrid cross. On a later video we will discuss about the dihybrid cross same, and we will come with the question also. So for today it is we have completed the monohybrid cross, and do one thing, you do the problem on the monohybrid cross and we will come with the problem also. Okay. Thank you to all of you.